Hey y'all, it's Alyssa. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today we are going to get into swatches. Foundation swatches of the Black Opal Foundation Sticks. I have 15 shades here. Yes, 15. I basically have all of the shades here and I'm going to swatch them for you on my skin tone. So Black Opal, I feel like, has been a part of like well-known and well-established makeup artist kits. So I decided to go ahead and splurge. I mean, it wasn't that big of a splurge since they're drugstore price. That's the reason why I got all of them, girl, because if there was any more, I wouldn't have bought all of these. But anyway, so I decided to go ahead and go on the site because they were having a friends and family 20% off sale and just get all of the shades. And I want to just swatch them, see how they work for myself because people have been loving these. And I feel like when I looked for information on the Black Opal Foundation Sticks, all the videos was like 5 years old. 3 years old. It's just like, okay, these old news, or you know, people not on the Black Opal wave anymore, whatever. I'm like, I'm gonna do a video for anybody searching just like I was, want to know more. And I do have all the light shades and dark shades. So yeah, I'm so excited to do this swatch video for you and do a demo at the end. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and let's get into it. These do on the face, because like I said, I haven't tried these out. My face is clean. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, which is my favorite. So disclaimer, this is not going to be a look at the end, boo. This is just going to be us testing out the foundations, and I'm gonna use it to contour as well, maybe highlight, I'm not sure. I mean, I want to be like realistic, and I don't know, depending on how I like this, I don't know if I would like use it for a full face, but I guess for the sake of the video we can do that. So I'm gonna take the Melanie Mills Rose Gold just because, and I'm over here talking about it in the look, but I'm doing all this skin prep. So I think Rich Caramel might be my shade, but I might have to mix in another shade. We shall see. I'm not going to color correct and do all of that. I'm just going to use the foundation. So this is Rich Caramel. Let's see how this goes on. Yeah, so you can't even really see that. I think that this might be it. So I'm going to take it on one side right now. And I'm going to use a beauty blender on this side just to see how it works with the beauty blender. So for me, any stick usually works better with a brush and it blends in easier, but I'm gonna use a brush on the other side. I just want to see, you know, we're just testing it out. We're just testing it out. Okay, that's one light layer and I'm not mad at it. I'm not sure if I can see a true difference. I guess it did even out my skin. So this is the side with the foundation and this is the side without. Yes, come on, glow. Let's just go in with another layer on this side. And y'all know the sponge will soak up the product and give you a more natural look. But as of right now, I'm not mad how it's sitting on the skin. It doesn't look cakey. It doesn't look weird. Don't you know how you put some foundation on your face and be looking like you got on a mask? Like literally a facial mask. It's not seeping into the pores. It's not doing that. So I'm happy about that. I mean, I'm expecting this to do good because everybody just rats and raves about it and it's in everybody's kit. So I know for a fact everybody can't have this in their kit and it's out here bogus, you know? Okay. I think this would be really good for the summer. In the summer. Because it don't look like it's going to move, girl. Do you hear me? And it's doing really good with that base. Do I need to zoom in some? No, I'm probably already close enough. I be editing my videos. I'm like, why am I so close? So, I'm going to leave it like this. Yeah. Yay, I'm happy. I'm happy about all of these and I actually like them. So let's go ahead on to the other side. Let me show you. This is the Beauty Blender sides giving life. Yes, ma'am. This does seem like you probably need to set it, but that's fine because I set all my foundations. So this is no foundation and this is with foundation. Can we see the difference? I can see the difference, so I hope you guys can too. I'm going to grab the Morphe 493, the famous Morphe 493, and I'm going to use this to buff that foundation in. It's a nice clean brush. So let's go ahead and apply it directly to the face on this side. We're going to do the same thing. And with sticks and brushes, you blend way faster. So I do have a few like 10-minute get ready with me's, and I use my Hourglass stick foundation in the brush because it gets you there really fast. This gives a very natural everyday look. Like this is for the everyday girl. Or people who don't wear a lot of makeup, who's not looking for full beat down coverage, you know what I mean? Even though it seems like you can build it up, so let me go ahead and add some more. I do like how it just blended out with the brush. It's definitely not covering all of my blemishes. I don't know if you guys can see. I ain't mad at it, even though it can't cover this or that. I'm gonna just sit that there. Maybe I'll bounce the Beauty Blender over the edges to get that some coverage going on right here. Okay, there we go, it's better. So this is where we are with the foundation, and I am so excited, y'all. I really am. I'm happy that it looks good. My sister likes this foundation as well. So honestly, she went out and bought the same shade, and she has been ranting and raving about it. And I'm like, okay, now I'm gonna get them, because I've been hearing about them. You know, everybody talks about them, but you know, girl, stuff be washed up. And then the Walmart, all the Walmarts around me, just so ghetto. They're never in stock. And I don't know if it's a Walmart thing or if it's a Black Opal thing, because honestly, when you think about it, if everybody loved these Black Opal foundation sticks so much, I would love to see them like level up and like do more. Because as we see different brands like Maybelline, they just continue to go off. Maybe they don't have the funds to back different projects, you know what I mean? Do a collab. People will probably buy that shit out, girl. $10. Listen, when people do the collab with ColourPop, people buy it out because it's affordable and it's good, you know what I mean? So I should look up who owns Black Opal. Like, y'all need to start going off. If people love this shit, like, you know, do more. But that's just my personality. Anyway, we are gonna highlight. What we gonna highlight with, girl? I think I'm gonna try Kalahari Sand. And honestly, I pretty much spray Fix Plus after every application of anything on my face. Very extra. I don't show it in my videos because, girl, we'll be here forever. And y'all don't want to just see me keep on spraying my face, I'm sure. But in my mind, it helps every product that I put on my face seek into my skin, which I can appreciate, girl, because we're looking for a flawless beat down. We don't want anything looking like a mask, okay? So just spray my Fix Plus as usual. And I'm filling the foundation. Wow. Oh, we should take a picture with flash. Yes, ma'am. There's the M&M's right past. Cousins and them out there acting a fool, probably. You know how they be. Ooh, we gonna hope we not ashy, girl. Okay. That's what I look like. It's not bad. It's kind of like almost perfect. So you have to bronze up. You know, for me, I usually go a little darker because I don't be liking the flashback and all that. I just can't be out here like that. So yeah, it works. It definitely works. Let's go ahead and highlight. I think I'm gonna highlight with Kalahari Sand, and I'm gonna take a concealer brush. So this shade looks pretty good. I'm just applying it precisely because honestly, I am gonna melt these down and depot these and put them in a palette. I might film that as well. Let me know if you guys are interested in seeing that. So I will be applying it with the brush anyway, and then I'm gonna blend it with the beauty sponge like I would do any concealer. So the consistency of these are definitely cream, but it's like a velvet cream. It kind of reminds me of the Fenty sticks, match sticks, but these are not as dry as those. But they are very similar, especially how they blend. Cause this, you see that? Like, it's damn near blend in. Listen, that's not a word, but y'all know what I mean. And I really just didn't do much. The taps that y'all just saw, I didn't add none out. Those are the original taps, okay? And your girl is about ready to be snatched. Okay, we got that blended. If we wanted to go to work like this, we could. New freezer. This is giving me life. So that was Kalahari Sand. I'm gonna take some cashew and place that under my eyes to lighten it up some. This is how I'm applying it. Look how easy these are blending in. Are y'all seeing this? These are $10 online, $9.95 at blackopal.com. No, girl. I think it's blackopalbeauty.com because blackopal.com is like some lamb or something. They selling meat, girl. Because I went on there, I'm like, blackopal.com, you know, not knowing. And it was like, world's best beef. I'm like, what? So just a quick recap. I have Rich Caramel as a foundation. Under my eyes, I used Kalahari Sand as well as some cashew to give us a nice golden highlight. I am feeling it, girl. I really am. I'm going to contour using all chocolate, and I think I'm just going to draw it on my face. Look at this skin. Comment down below, you guys, and let me know how it's looking on camera. Let me know I'm not over here going crazy by myself thinking I'm just looking flawless and I'm really looking a mess. Okay, y'all, here is the final look. Please get into this skin. I like it. I will try a different powder next time. The Makeup Revolution banana powder doesn't really mix well with this. Like under my eyes, it's a little bit not ideal. Just not ideal. It doesn't feel like I pretty much have anything on my face. But what I can say is you do need to set your entire face. Like set your face with your face color powder and then set your under eye and your contour, because this isn't like a self-setting stick, you know what I mean? But it does give a nice finish. It's a bomb, affordable product for sure. And it's not full coverage. It's definitely not full coverage. It's like medium, a true medium. Even when you build it up, it still gives me medium. And I would definitely recommend it. So let me get closer. So this is my skin. I don't know if you guys can see under eye. It's just not as smooth as I would prefer. I didn't like the lighter shades. I think I mentioned that. Cool Nude and Champagne Beige. I don't like those. And I believe those are like an extension, because when they started out, they didn't have any like fair or lighter shades, because those not really that fair. And if you don't want to use it as a full face foundation, it's definitely good to cream contour. I don't really have to use it under my eyes. Now that I'm thinking about it, I was saying I would use a different powder. I mean, yeah, or I could just use a concealer, like a true concealer, and not even like use this under anyone's eyes or under my eyes. My smile lines are definitely creasing. It does transfer. It does give you a nice even complexion, a nice flawless finish, you know, and it blend really good. So yeah, I would recommend these. Hope you guys enjoyed the swatches and the demo. If you like these type of videos, give me a thumbs up and comment down below any questions. I'm here to answer your questions, girl. Yes, ma'am. And I will see you on my next video. Peace.